In this lesson, we'll move some of the mortal images into the right areas, we'll resize the mortal, we'll also resize the background, the trees, and you'll implement animation by moving an image in the video. We have all the parts to make the video now. Now we just need to put all the parts into the right places. Let's start at the beginning. I'm going to zoom in here, click on the image, and in the effects panel, I'm going to bring this person up higher in the design. In the motion category, this number here, if we click it and drag it to the left, it will bring the person up higher in the design. I'm going to drag this to the middle of this narration. We're going to put another image here. It's always good to change an image every 2 to 3 seconds to keep the audience interested in watching the video. Let's get the cut tool, and I'm going to cut the trees image right there. Get the move tool, select the trees, and I'm going to click on the scale, and I'm going to make the scale of the trees a lot bigger. And then this number right here, I'm going to click and drag the trees over a little bit. When we're closer to this person, we'll be closer to the trees. Let's click on this number here and click and drag it to the left to bring a little bit of the landscape into view. For the next part, I'm going to scroll over to see the other mortal pictures. This mortal picture right here, this is what I want. I'm going to click on it, right click, and copy it. Come back over here, and I'm going to do a Command V to paste it. I'll drag this to the left and drag this part to the right. Get the cut tool and cut the trees right here. Get the move tool and select the trees. Make the background just a little bit bigger, and then bring the background to the left. Click on the mortal image, and let's drag this number right here to the right, and let's make him just a little bit bigger in the scene. Now, when we watch these, notice that the images are very static. They're not moving whatsoever, but we can make them move. Let's start with this one here, mortal sitting. You're going to learn animation technique in Premiere Pro. This timeline right here, let's drag that all the way to the left and then click on this little stopwatch next to the word position. When we do that, a little diamond appears on this timeline. Let's drag this timeline to the middle right here, and then this number right here, if we click on that number and drag to the left, that'll bring the person up. Let's bring them up just a little bit. You don't have to go very far. Click here and drag to select the first diamond and do a Command C to copy it. Take the timeline, drag it over here, and press Command V to paste that diamond, and then click on that diamond and drag it all the way to the right and let go. Now take your timeline here and drag it to the beginning of that clip, and then press the space bar to see the person move. Really cool, isn't it? That's how you make an image move in Premiere Pro. Do Command S to save. The lesson will continue in the next video.